Hey guys, good morning. I hope all of you are doing well. So today we are going to this place called Mainz, which is just 2 kilometers. It's just 2 stops away from Kelsterbach. So we're gonna catch a train, and probably in another 10-15 minutes we are gonna reach the place, and I'll see you all there. So we just got off at Romanisch Bühnen Theatre. So this was built back in 310 AD, 310 AD, and now it's turned into a railway station. So you can see the remains of the theatre around. Yeah, so that was not a museum, it was like a citadel, which is like a roadway to the castle. And we're just entering now. I don't see any castle. Okay, what is this? Okay guys, it is a citadel but not the actual one, or maybe it is the actual one but now it's converted into a cafe. Citadel. Okay, I'm trying to get up here. Where is the stairs? Yeah. Okay. Ouch. But how do I go up? Clothes are gonna get dirty, that is the problem. Watch out for your feet. Yeah, show me how do you do it. Whoa, that's cool. Okay, I also want to do it, but I'm scared of getting stuck in between, but it's okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh god. Ouch. Alright, that was fun. I was a little scared that I might get stuck in between, or I might just, the slide would just throw me off. But I landed safe. So now we are going to another church called Saint Stephen Church. Guys, how impressive is this? This is called church organ. So this whole thing actually makes music. So you have keys here which you can play, and this is like a whole instrument by itself. How impressive. So that was St. Peter's Church, and now we are going to a Roman cathedral. It's called Mainz Dome. I'm really sorry guys, I don't know how to pronounce these names properly, but each and every street here is so beautiful and so picturesque. It really is like right out of a storybook, you know. So it's a very old church. I don't know, like how old is it?
1,000
years old.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's almost 1,000 years old. That was probably the biggest church I've ever seen in my life. Now we are hungry and we'll find a place to have lunch at. Let's see. Okay, so guys, we are at a very famous cafe in Mainz called Extra Blatt. So we are trying some apple wine. Apple wine is very famous around this area. So if you guys come here, so just make sure that you're having apple wine. So cheers.
My God.
It tastes like beer.
Apple cider.
We have our food here. We guys just finished eating food and we realized that we just have 10 minutes to go to the railway station and catch our train. So we're trying to make it in 10 minutes. Let's see if we can make it. After all that running, we reached exactly on time. So I hope you guys liked watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you all again in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.